To upload a long video on Facebook Stories, start by ensuring that your Facebook and Messenger applications are updated to the latest versions, as this feature may not be available on older versions. Once updated, you have two options for uploading a longer video. First, you can open the Facebook app, tap on Create Story, and select the video you want to upload. However, Facebook Stories typically only allow videos up to 1 minute in length. Alternatively, you can open Messenger, tap on Stories at the bottom, and select Camera. From there, tap on the square icon to access your gallery and choose the video you want to upload. Unlike Facebook Stories, Messenger allows longer videos, so you can upload videos longer than 1 minute. After selecting the video, you may need to trim it to fit the time limit. Once trimmed, tap on Done and then Add Story to upload the video to your Facebook Story. By following these steps, you can successfully upload a long video to your Facebook Story from your Spetcher. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content. Thank you for watching.